Today I'm going to be breaking down the mixed media cover I did for a Europe. I'm going to be going over the styles I used, the layers, everything in between. Yeah, let's get straight into it. Alright, so the first layer is just this night vision kind of security camera background. This is in my mixed media pack if you guys do want to go ahead and check it out. But yeah, everything in here is in that pack, and you can really create some crazy shit out of it. Next, I'm just gonna try and break it down how I went about it. So I got this image here of a Europe. This is just a background image, and then this was the main one. Got a little dollar skull thing here. I'm gonna put in the adjustments too really quick, because I did go through, because whenever I design, I usually design with some, like, it's usually the black and white. So I'll usually have the black and white gradient map on here with the overlay, and I'll usually just design like that for a little bit. And yeah, I just add just different shit, just mess around with the blend modes, overlay, pin light. This is a rip right here. This is on difference. It looks really good when you have black and white, and then you put the gradient map on it, get some color in it. The black and white here is just for the hue. I do this in a few other videos if you guys want to go ahead, kind of find a style similar. But basically all you have to do here is go to the layer mask. It's gonna be black and white at first because obviously it's a black and white layer, but you just want to click X, and then it's going to change your brush to black. And you just want to tap around like this, and yeah, just tap around to whatever feels good or looks good. And yeah, you should come out with something like that. Have an exposure on there, vibrance, hue and saturation. And if all of this is kind of confusing to you guys, I do have an adjustment pack with all of this, just different kind of adjustments. It's in a PSD, so you can literally drag and drop your cover into it, and it will give you different kind of styles and shit like that. But yeah, let's get straight back into it. So I got this ARP. A lot of these textures I use mainly for the rips, which is what makes it kind of fire, but you can use them all different types of ways. This is another rip as well, just a kind of difference. And then another rip as well. Kind of went for this kind of like triangle rip effect, just to match the triangle in the middle. Got buildings here. Then I got this glow, just a normal brush glow right there. Got this hacker kind of overlay, looks like this normally. Let me show you guys. I put a bit of a blur on it because it was kind of messing up. I don't know, I didn't really like it when it was like that, so I put a little blur on it to kind of soften it. Then I got another overlay. This is just a normal like rip overlay, and what I wanted to do was because if I had it as, I think it was difference, if I just had it like that, it was like boom. But if I got a brush and I make a layer mask, and what I do is this, you can see like it kind of messes up. So what I did was I got this lasso tool, and I just did a cut around like this, just to create kind of like a border around, and it came out pretty fire. I fuck with it. Or you want to invert it, and then boom, you'll get something like that. I'm gonna revert it back, like boom. Alright, so then got the paper grain. This looks like this normally. Has this little nice little effect up here. You can't really see it, but I really like that texture. I got a halftone effect right here. You can barely see it. It's barely there, but If you guys are wondering what the paper grain looks like zoomed in, that's kind of like the whole look. Another grain effect, just a color fill. I show you guys how to do this in literally every single video. If you don't know how to do it, go back. I'll just break down the adjustments one more time again. So we got the gradient map here, black and white. I have it on reverse, just because like if it's not, like boom, just to make it black and white. Then I have the black and white, the actual adjustment here, the black and white adjustment. Got the brightness and contrast, bring the brightness up, the contrast up a little bit. Gradient map, just a random color. Exposure, you guys can copy these settings if you want, see if they work for your cover art. If not, you can like tweak them a bit, but this is usually like my whole cover or my whole adjustment setup, I guess. And yeah, I think, you know, it's been working for me. I'm pretty sure it'll work for you. But yeah, that's basically the whole. If you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like, subscribe. Also, if you want to go ahead, like I said, cop the mixed media pack, create some shit like this and other shit. I have other examples of what you can create on my website. If you guys need help, join the Discord. If you want to connect with other designers and shit, join the Discord.